This is the one-page bonus lesson for YouTube subscribers. We will tell you the secret about how to answer to a negative yes-no question in Korean. Let's see how to answer to positive and negative yes-no question in Korean. In English, it is very simple because we say yes when the following sentence is a positive and we say no when the following sentence is negative, no matter whether the question was negative or positive. But in Korean, it's a little bit more complicated than that. Maybe it would be hard for you to understand if you think the way you answer in English is logical. But we can explain the way how Koreans answer in a logical way too. Please listen carefully. Just remember this one thing. In Korean, yes means yes, what you've just said is correct. And no means no, what you've just said is wrong. Again, in Korean, yes means yes, the entire sentence you've just said is correct. And no means no, the entire sentence you've just said is wrong. We are repeating this because if you understand this, you already understand 95% of this page. Let's learn more specifically. When the question is positive, it's simple. It's the same as English. Yes means yes and no means no. If the question is, are you hungry? Yes means yes, I am hungry. And no means no, I am not hungry. But it actually means, yes, you are right. I am hungry. And no, you are wrong. I am not hungry in Korean. By the way, you know how to say yes and no in a Korean honorific sentence, don't you? Yes is 네, 네, or 예, 예, like yes. In my personal opinion, 네 sounds more casual and 예 sounds a little bit more polite. No is 아니요, 아니요. It's from the Korean adjective 아니다, which means to be not, that we learned a couple of pages before. But 아니요 is not an adjective nor conjugated from the adjective 아니다. So just memorize the entire 아니요 itself. Okay? Anyway, if someone asks, are you hungry? 배고파요? 배고파요? You can answer, yes, I am hungry. 네, 배고파요. Or, no, I am not hungry. 아니요, 배 안 고파요. Okay? 아니요, 안 배고파요. Or, 아니요, 배고프지 않아요 would be fine too. Okay, then how to answer to a negative question? It's a bit complicated. Please listen carefully. In Korean, yes, which is 네, or 예, means yes, what you've just said is correct, no matter whether the question was in a positive form or a negative form. So, needless to say, no, 아니요, means what you've just said is wrong, no matter whether the original question was positive or negative. Do you understand? So it's the matter of correct or wrong, not the matter of yes or no. We can say that in English, when you answer to either a negative or a positive question, the answer is self-oriented. You talk about yourself. For example, yes, I am hungry, or no, I am not hungry. But in Korean, when you answer to either a negative or a positive question, the answer is listener-oriented. You talk whether what the listener has just said was correct or not. For example, yes, you are right. I am not hungry. Or no, you are wrong. I am hungry. We believe that now you almost perfectly understand this. The sentence, aren't you hungry, already contains the negative adverb, not, 안. So if you ask the question, aren't you hungry? 배 안 고파요? Koreans might answer, yes, you are correct. I am not hungry. Or, no, you are wrong. I am hungry. So you can say that Koreans answer in an opposite way when it comes to a negative question. But there is something strange as always. When you are 100% sure, the speaker wants to get confirmation of a positive belief so that it was almost the same as asking, "Are you hungry?" You can answer, "Yes, I am hungry," or "No, I am not hungry," as you do in English, even though the original question was a negative question. Then let's see how to answer to the question using the ending 지요. It's quite clear. 배 안 고프지요? 배 안 고프지요? The English translation of this sentence would be the same, "Aren't you hungry?" or "You are not hungry, are you?" which means almost the same as "I know you are not hungry," right? This question is asking for confirmation whether what I've just said is correct or not. So, yes means, "Yes, you are right. I am not hungry." And no means, "No, you are wrong. I am hungry." It perfectly fits the logic we are talking about here. We use 네 or 아니요 in Korean to mean the entire sentence you said was correct or not. If the sentence is correct, you say 네 or 예. Otherwise, you say 아니요. So, 배 안 고프지요 means, "I know you are not hungry, right?" So you can answer, "Yes, you are correct. I am not hungry." 네, 배 안 고파요. Yes, I am not hungry. And no, you're wrong. I'm hungry. 아니요, 배 고파요. No exception for this case, okay? Very confusing, isn't it? So just remember these two things. First, in Korean, the answer yes, 네 or 예 means, "Yes, you're right. Yes, the entire sentence you've just said is correct." Therefore, when it's a negative question, 네 or 예 means you are positive to a negative meaning. So you use 네 or 예 with a negative answer to a negative question. Remember that. Second, since it's a bit hard for you to fully understand this, please make a full sentence all the time. For example, "Yes, I am not hungry," or "No, I am hungry." Whether the answer is yes or no, you better say the rest of the sentence so that there will be no miscommunication. Very good.